Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Everything AI, where I help you folks use AI to make your lives easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build and ship production ready web apps or games in just a few minutes. For example, the game you are seeing on screen is something that I had built without writing a single line of code. I had built the game logic, including streaks feature, audio effects, and more with the help of AI. In the next few minutes, I'm going to teach you how to build something like this for any use case you can possibly think of. Let's start. First tool we are going to use today is Lovable, an AI tool that can be used to build full stack web applications just by prompting it. We can give it text-based prompts on what we want to build, or can attach images for design inspiration, or if you are an advanced user, you can connect Lovable to Figma directly and build it from there. Sounds cool, right? Let's build a classic rock paper scissors game today and see how it goes. Let's quickly sign into Lovable. Now that we have signed in, let's get started with the prompt. I want to build a simple and minimalistic web app compatible with mobile web as well to play rock paper scissors against the computer. Use vibrant colors and design while keeping it fun and exciting. Give smooth transitions and visual feedback to users wherever required. Keep a track of scores and maintain streaks as well. And let's go. On the left tab, you can see the prompt that we have given, and on the right side, we will see a preview of the app once it's built. Now we can see what Lovable inferred from our prompt. So I'll help you create a beautiful minimalist app, a design inspiration, clean minimalist interface, smooth animations, responsive design, visual feedback, elegant score display with streaks, V1 features, game interface, game logic, visual design elements, soft shadows, vibrant colors. You see, this is exactly what we are looking for. On the right side over here, we can see Lovable generating all the files for our app. I'm not doing anything here. It's AI writing all the code for me. Let's wait for it to finish. And it's done. The preview is loading and wow. You can see the app preview over here and it's just amazing for the very first iteration. Let's play and see. Oops. It's a draw. Again I lost. Again a draw. Yes, I won. You can see the score as well as streak on the top. again a 1. So it's a true streak and two score over there, which you can see on the card. It had perfectly implemented the features that we had asked for. Now, this is super amazing, but let's see if we can make the game better by converting it to some sort of a time-based challenge. Now, convert this game into a challenge. User should win 5 times in less than 60 seconds to win. Communicate the win or loss at the end of the game through a visually appealing pop-up. Give an option to replay the game once it is finished. Also, give the game name as a header. Let's see what it does. Meanwhile, if you like the video till now, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now, once the changes are done, we should be seeing the game turned into a challenge with a 60-second timer ready to play. Wow, it's just as expected. Let's play this. Yes, one streak, one score, as you can see on the top left. And on the right side, you can see the timer running out from 60 seconds. Third win. Draw again. Oops. Again a draw. Streak has also reset. Now the streak has started to increase. Again a draw. Again I lost a streak. Again I lost. Oops, I'm on a lost streak. Great, I won the game within the time limit. Once we reset it, you can see that the score and the streak has reset and the timer also has reset on its own. Perfect. Now what do we do? Let's make winning more fun by adding a confetti maybe. Let's try that too. Once the user wins the challenge, throw a confetti across the screen to make it fun. Done. Nice. It's trying to implement the confetti animation as well through a public library. Meanwhile, on the preview side, we can see the state when a user could not complete the challenge in time. It has handled that case as well perfectly. I think it's done with adding confetti, and let's see how it's done. Start. First streak, 1 score. Again 2 streak, 2 score. Again 3 streak, 3 score. Oops. Streak lost. Again it's a draw. Again a streak. Yes, it has implemented the confetti as expected, and it's just perfect. If you want to make any more changes to this or want to add more features, you can continue prompting Lovable. When you want to share the app or game with your friends or family, you need to deploy it to the server by going to Publish at the top right of the dashboard. Under Publish, you can click on Deploy and it gets automatically deployed to Lovable servers. Once the deployment is done, you can share with anyone. Deployment is now done and we can quickly check the public link to see if it's available. Perfect. Now, what if you want to move the site to your own domain or commit code from multiple AI tools and deploy it to production automatically? For that, we need to publish our code to GitHub. Let's do that by going to edit code over here. By connecting our code to GitHub, Lovable automatically commits the changes made here to GitHub repository. Before connecting, create an account on GitHub if you don't have it already. Once you have created an account, come back here and click on Connect. Once your GitHub is authorized and connected, you can see Transfer Repository option, which will create a repository of your code in your own GitHub account. The repository is now created and we can check it on GitHub. This is the entire code for our rock, paper, scissors project written completely by AI. The files are also neatly organized and committed by Lovable bot. Now let's see how do we automate production deployment and move our app to custom domain through another popular tool called Vercel. For starters, Vercel is a tool that makes website deployment effortless with one-click and automatic deployments, even for non-coders. Along with hosting and free site optimization, Vercel also offers free site analytics to analyze the real-time site traffic with detailed performance insights. Let's get started by signing up on Vercel. Once you sign up, on the home screen itself, you see an option to import your GitHub repository. Click on Continue with GitHub and authorize it. Post that, you can see all your GitHub repositories here. The first one, Vibrant-RPS, is our rock, paper, scissors repo. Let's just reconfirm it and import it. Here, let's also change the project name to rock, paper, scissors. And let's deploy it with one click. We can see the deployment is queued. We can see the build logs as well if we want to see it is installing the dependencies. You can see the deployment summary as well. It is building the application for production and done. Our application is now deployed on production. Let's go to the dashboard and check our production deployment. We can check the URL. This is the production URL. Everything is fine as expected. We can check the deployment configuration. Now if we want to move this to our custom domain, we can click on Domains on the top right. Click on Add. Here we can search our website and then move it to your own domain. And next we can check out the deployments. So this is the current deployment that we have deployed through Lovable bot. Now let's check out analytics. This is a very interesting and useful feature. Once we put something into production, next thing we are interested to know is how many users are visiting our site, what are the channels through which they are coming, and other insights. With just a single line of code, we can enable analytics on our site powered through Vercel. Amazing, right? In the next video, I am going to explain how do we enable and track site analytics. Use another awesome tool called Cursor to build next level apps with authentication and database. Till then, stay tuned.